guys, I'm back with another review, and today it's something totally different. I apologize first of all for being so up close and personal with you guys. Don't mind my eyes, it's red. I know it's always red. I'm just never this up close, so you never notice. But anyway, today I have this product. It's a 2-in-1 liner. It's an eyeliner 2-in-1, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to work this little magic right here. I was going to explain it, but I was like, you know what? It's self-explanatory, so I'm going to put it on so you guys can see, and I'm going to give you the pros and cons on this little baby right here, because I have been using it for over, well, this is going to make it 2 weeks now that I have been using it, so I'm going to give you my honest pros and cons about it. So right here I have my eyelashes, my little false strip eyelashes, no glue on it, as you can tell. There's absolutely no glue on it. I'm touching it. Now let's go. So how easy was that? I didn't have to sit here, put my wing eyeliner on, and then sit here, put lash glue on, or in my case, put hair glue on, because that's what I use. I know a lot of you guys do it too, so don't judge me, but I didn't have to put any glue on, sit here, fan it, let it, you know, get tacky, and then put my lashes on. It was actually a 2-in-1 step. I just put my eyeliner on and attached the lash to the liner, and voila, it was stuck. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys one more time doing it with this eye, and then I'll give you guys my pros and cons. So this is it, I'm done. It's such a quick process. Now I'm going to give you the pros and the cons. Actually, I only have one con to this. You know, when you put your lashes on, normally when you have the lash glue, you would use a little bit of that tackiness from the glue to actually take your tweezer and clip your eyelash together with the falsies. Now, in this case, you can't really do that because there's no glue. You understand what I'm saying? There's no, you know, bulky glue there to stick anything to it. That's why I went ahead and used my mascara afterwards to like kind of blend it in together with the falsies, blend my lashes together with the falsies. So that's the only con I have with this, and it's not even a big deal, you know. So the pros are that it takes less time, it lasts all day because I leave it on under all these studio lights for over 6 hours, and it does not lift up or anything like that, so I'm pretty sure it can last more than 6 hours. It comes off very easy, very easy. Now, I normally rip my lashes off, and that's the exact same thing I do even using this liner right here. I rip my lashes off and it comes off so much easier, and it doesn't hurt. Normally I pull some of my lashes out when I do that. I know I'm not supposed to, but it doesn't hurt out. Or you can use simple makeup wipe or makeup remover, and that takes it off right away. It is also waterproof, if I did not say that. It's definitely waterproof, and it's like a regular liner. You guys see this? It's a regular liner. I already made a line, but I'm going to show you guys. It's a regular liner. Really nice regular liner. So whether you're doing a wing liner, whether you're doing regular liner, you can definitely use this to put your falsies on. And like I said, it's a quicker and faster step. If you would like to purchase this, the description box will have the link to it, so you can go purchase it. And comment down below, let me know what you think about this. Let me know how you feel about it. I love it, and I don't think I'll be going back to hair glue. I think I'll be using this from now on. Anyway, we'll chat it up in the comment section down below, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.